What if hindi ka pa rin successful hanggang ngayon? Bakit? Ano ang dahilan? Sino? Ano? Paano? Kailan? Ewan, okay. Kaya hindi ka pa rin nagtatagumpay sa buhay mo ngayon. Madaming dahilan. Alamin mo. Isa-isahin mo. What if di ka pa rin successful right as of this moment? Paano nga ba maging successful? Umpisahan mo ng paggising ng either 4 a.m., 5 a.m., or 6 a.m. The earlier, the better. Okay? Okay. What if hindi ka pa rin successful hanggang ngayon? As in ngayong moment na ito. Okay? Oo, better be. Huwag ka kalilimutan na magkape at coffee first thing sa madaling araw or umaga. As in, sa 4 a.m., 5 a.m., or 6 a.m. Okay, so, ano? Paano? What if hindi ka pa rin successful hanggang ngayon? Find the perfect work for you. Job or even school. College or university. You have a bright future ahead. Just trust the process, believe me. It will, yes, oo, okay, so. Paano ba maging successful? Nandyan si Hope at ang salitang pag-asa. Yes, okay, true. Totoo, oo, okay. Bakit? May blocks ba sa progress at success mo? Alisin mo yung blocks. Umangat ka, umakyat ka. Itaas mo ang iyong sarili. Yes, and totoo, truth. Okay, so. Ako, never pa ako nakatamasa ng success. At 30s, I am still the same me. With little progress and a hope within. Yes, okay, so. What if hindi ka pa rin successful hanggang ngayon? This moment na ito. Okay, so. Ano ba ang dahilan? Are you still a failure? With no luck and with just a minimum progress about life? Okay, so. Magiging matagumpay ka din. Maniwala ka, panghawakan mo, totoo. O as in lahat. Totoo, okay, so. What if hindi ka pa rin successful hanggang ngayon? Define success, what is success for you? For me, it is a dream to be achieved. Okay, so. Bukas sana successful ka na. Sana ibigay na sa'yo ng fate yun. Nasa sa'yo, oo, okay. Bukas oo na ang sagot. Oo na ang sagot bukas. Lahat ng mga pangarap mo isa-isa na matutupad. Tapos magiging matagumpay ka din. Totoo, maniwala at panghawakan. Okay. What if hindi ka pa rin successful hanggang ngayon? Mag-mind map, analyze, exhaust. Kung may hindi maintindihan, aralin. Kahit pa confusing. Mag-aral na mag-aral, magbasa. Etc. Okay, so. Para sa'yo din yan, oo, totoo yun. Okay. May time sasagutin din ang panahon. Magkakatotoo din lahat na nasa wishlist mo, totoo, okay. What if nga ba, magbago ka na? Change your habits, do a new routine. Yung tungo sa tama at pagbabago. Ayusin mo sarili mo, buhay mo, oo, okay, so. Surround yourself with positivity. And also, true friends, believe. Hope, a brighter future is waiting for you, just for you. And para sa'yo lang talaga. Am I right? My IG is instagram.com/blackandwhitevoodoo. Speak up, dear. Like, comment, subscribe. Speak up, dear. Speak up, dear.